And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you. Baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our clouds when.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. सबसे पहले I would like to say a big sorry to everyone for not uploading a video in so long. The coronavirus pandemic has taken over the world. India has been under lockdown for the last 40 something days. Honestly, अब तो मेरा count भी छूट गया है, but I'm really grateful that I'm home, I'm safe, and whoever's watching this video, please guys, stay home, stay safe, and try and do other things like take care of yourself and take care of your skin. Which brings me to today's video, जिसमें मैं आप सबके साथ share करने वाली हूँ 4 super simple DIY face masks जो आप अपने घर पे पड़े हुए किचन इंग्रेडिएंट्स के साथ आराम से बना सकते हैं. अगर वो इंग्रेडिएंट्स नहीं है तो सब्जी वाले को फोन में लाइए और जल्दी से बुला लीजिए, because these face masks, trust me, are going to transform your skin. My skin has gone through a lot, be it acne, be it blemishes, be it brown spots, pigmentation, dark spots, under eye circles, everything. I don't know if you guys can tell, but मेरी skin इतनी ज़्यादा improve हुई है जब से lockdown शुरू हुआ है, because I've been using 1 or 2 face masks every week. Although whatever masks I'm going to be sharing with you today are good for all skin types, but still एक patch test करके देख लेना just before you use any mask. And yeah, let's stop talking and let's show you what these masks are. For mask number 1, take some cucumber or खीरा, उसे grind कीजिए, उसमें half a lemon squeeze करिए and add some rose water. I like to add the Dabur Gulabari rose water. Mix it all up and you have an instant skin freshener ready. It's amazing because cucumbers help reduce swelling, puffiness. Skin में कोई भी sensitivity या redness हो तो cucumbers उसको soothe down करता है, and the lemon is a great antioxidant. Antifungal properties भी होती हैं, so you will have an instantly refreshed skin texture. Now for everyone who follows me, they would know that I have very sensitive, acne prone, oily skin. You don't need to worry about that because there is always a solution, and that is Multani Mitti or Fuller's Earth. All you need to do is take some Multani Mitti, add some rose water to it, and you have an instant anti-acne face pack ready, which works like magic. Trust me guys. So let me just quickly tell you what are the benefits of Multani Mitti. It is known to fight acne. It removes excess sebum and oil secretion. It deeply cleanses your skin. It tightens your skin pores. And when you combine it with rose water, it helps in soothing the skin down, reducing skin redness, etc. So that's amazing. And now I'm just going to lose my mind. I was trying to figure out how many minutes to tell you guys to keep this pack, but then I figured that you have to keep it on till it completely dries. Here you can see it's almost dried. I then wash it off and I have squeaky clean, absolutely fresh skin. I sometimes also use this face pack as spot treatment for just my acne and leave it on overnight, so you can do that as well. हमारा थर्ड फेस पैक है एन एंटी ब्लेमिश फेस पैक, जिसके लिए आपको चाहिए कुछ ऑरेंज पील जिसको आप ग्राइंड कर लीजिए, एंड देन ऐड टू दैट 2 teaspoons ऑफ yogurt or dahi and some rose water, of course, to make sure the consistency is good. Now, I don't know if you guys can notice, but I have a lot of acne scars and brown spots on my face, and orange peel helps reduce pigmentation, acne scars, and also lightens the skin tone. And dahi का तो क्या कहना, skin पे लगा लो, बालों पे लगा लो. Dahi is amazing. It's full of good bacteria that helps your skin glow by nourishing it from within. And here I'm trying to solve a Rubik's Cube, which I have no idea how to solve. And then I just keep it on for 10 minutes and wash it off to have some glowing skin. Please do not try any stunts like I did. And last but not the least, we have our ultimate glow face mask, which is besan, haldi and rose water. So I'm combining 2 big teaspoons of besan with 1 chutki of haldi and lots of rose water just to get the consistency nice. And this is how it will eventually look. I also like to put it in the refrigerator for a while just to give that cooling effect to the skin. And it's very, very satisfying to apply this face mask, like the color and everything. It just feels so good. And you guys know besan helps remove tan and exfoliates your dead skin. It also removes fine facial hair. That's why you get that effect of glow. And for me, masking also means self-care. So I like to use this time to do things which I normally miss out on, like applying body lotions, using a calming and soothing body mist, just to, get that entire experience as I wait for my face mask to dry. Also for this particular mask, when it dries, I like to scrub it off and then just mildly wash my face, so it gives me absolutely glowing skin. And My regime for after the mask is of course toning and moisturizing, and I'm using my Dabur Gulabari rose water here as a toner. So I'm putting it into a small spray bottle and then I'm going to spritz it nicely all over my face to give my face that refreshment and also the toning properties of rose water. And of course, do not forget to moisturize your face afterwards. Apply a nice coating of lip balm, and please don't forget guys, I'm using these face masks once a week. Do not use them all together like I did in the video. That was just to show you guys how they work. So yeah guys, those are my top 4 DIY face masks which will solve any and every sort of skin concern. आप सब लोगों ने एक चीज notice करी? There was one ingredient that was common in all the 4 face masks, and that was my Dabur Gulabari rose water. I absolutely love rose water. This is something that I finish like I finish water bottles. ये मेरी चौथी या पांचवी bottle है quarantine की. Is super duper affordable. Rose water is so multifunctional. आप इसको as a toner use कर सकते हो. आप इसको अपनी skin की redness कम करने के लिए use कर सकते हो. It also has anti-inflammation properties. It helps reduce acne scars. It helps soothe the skin. Refresh your skin. It gives you the right amount of moisture. जब आपको एक quick pick me up चाहिए होता है, you know, I've done my work out at the terrace and I need something to quickly hydrate and refresh my skin because it's been exposed to the sun. I just spritz the rose water as a refreshing mist, or even after taking my shower, it just, you know, feels so nice on the skin. Nitaba, breathe. I know you love rose water. It's okay. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. भूलिएगा भी मत subscribe button ना click करने के लिए अगर आपने नहीं करा है already तो. And leave your comments down below अगर आपकी कोई अच्छी घरेलू नुस्खे हैं which work well for you. I would love to hear that. I love you all. Bye.